Hey, what's up YouTube? This is going to be a quick video to demonstrate the connectivity of Verizon Hotspot data on all of their unlimited plans except the Go Unlimited. Go Unlimited is always throttled to these speeds, so it will never be faster. But on Beyond Unlimited or the grandfathered February Unlimited data plan, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you what your hotspot speeds are going to look like and what that would look like in terms of usability once you go past your 15 gigs of data. So first we'll start out by running a quick speed test. Let's pick a different server. So this is what you can expect after 15 gigs of hotspot data. Right now I have this hooked up to my iPhone X. Using hotspot data. On my overall plan, I'm currently over 90 gigs of data. On the phone, the speeds have been incredibly fast just about everywhere in town. Very rarely do I feel like I'm experiencing a slowdown of any sort. So as far as unlimited on the phone goes, it's been really amazing and usable, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. On the hotspot before 15 gigs, the speeds were just as fast as the phone. So the plan is really honest and really true to its word. So there's the hotspot speeds. We'll do one more server just to prove consistency. So that's interesting. On that test, it burst over a megabit for a little bit there, but it's settling right back down into what you would expect. And the upload is limited as well, apparently, to about a half a megabit per second. And then, so speed test doesn't really give you a feel for what your browsing experience is going to be like. Let's try to load a video on YouTube and see what happens. Well, interestingly, it did start loading right away, but now we're experiencing a little bit of buffering. Video resolution is playing at 480. Okay, so that's pretty good. Where you would experience real trouble at these speeds that we're seeing over here is if you're trying to download a large file. Generally speaking, web browsing should be okay. YouTube videos, as you're seeing, is decent, but not in HD by any means. Let's try fast.com and see what kind of video speeds we're getting with this limited hotspot data here. Right about half a megabit per second, just like the speed test shows. Let's see what loading a Google search would be like. And the web page is taking a decent chunk of time to load here. All right, let's try loading the Google news page. All right, it's coming through at a fair rate of speed, I would say, but by no means fast. Definitely below 15 gigs. It was a lot faster than this. No real problem scrolling or anything like that. So now, just for one last test, pull out my backup phone here, and I will show you guys what the normal speeds that we're getting are in this location. This phone is below 22 gigs and not being prioritized or limited in any way at this point. This is a Galaxy S8 that we're running this test on. All right, and keep in mind we're in a pretty heavily wooded area, pretty good distance from the nearest cell tower. So these are impressive speeds. That upload is actually better than my cable subscription. So there you go. In case anyone was wondering what the experience is like on Verizon Unlimited, using hotspot data past the 15 gigs, overall I would call it usable, but by no means super fast. Below 15 gigs, it's going to be fast as the cell tower you're on can provide you. Overall, really good experience on Verizon Unlimited. Have a great day, guys.